Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. We are doing a 2-product wash and go today. Let's get started. Welcome to my shower. I will link that magnet down below. Now I am recovering from a very dry wash and go, and I think this beginning portion is really going to speak to those of you who are afraid to do wash and goes because of shrinkage. Immediately what I like to do is wet down my hair and section it off into 4 sections. This is going to make everything a lot more manageable, just working in little bite-sized sections. Once the hair is separated, I like to go in and detangle my hair very lightly. Sometimes I use my fingers. This time I'm using my comb as a tool. It is wide tooth, and I like using gravity and that shower water to help me elongate those strands. That is the name of the game, getting as much stretch, as much length in those strands as possible so that this process can go a lot faster and smoother. And now I go in with conditioner because today we're not using shampoo. We are using conditioner, and the conditioner I'm using is from Garnier Fructis. It has no silicones in it, as the packaging says, but I really love this conditioner. It softens the hair. It is inexpensive. It just works well, and it's really, really nice for co-washes. A lot of times we go through a lot of product when we are doing wash and goes on a regular basis, like in the summertime, and it's nice to have something that's inexpensive and actually works. So I will definitely make sure to link all of these products down below. Once the conditioner is distributed throughout my whole entire head, I'm going to leave it on for about 5 to 10 minutes, let it marinate, do what it do, and I am back. And the hair, it feels good. So again, I'm going to go under that shower water, and this is going to be my detangling session, the real one. I've got conditioner on my hair, so it's allowing a little bit of slip, much more slip than in the beginning with just the excess product on my hair. And I mean, if you've been watching my channel for a long time, you know that this is prime time for detangling. And you can see how I've previously kind of stretched my hair. It's working for me. You see, it's working. So this is the gel I'm using. It's brand new. It's from Maui Moisture. I'm trying it out for the very first time, and I have no rhyme or reason to how I'm applying these products. I start with the gel, I put it everywhere, and then I top it off with mousse, as I've done with many other wash and goes. Water, gel, mousse. That is the styling technique that what's going on? And my camera died. And we're back. Don't you hate when that happens? So my hair has the water, the mousse, the gel. Everything is hanging like I like it. I like to wet my hair once more with water and then do my Anthony Dickey method of shaking my hair. Now it just adds a lot more air to the hair. So if you don't like a fluffy look, maybe you just want to separate like I'm doing now. When you shake the strands, they do tend to clump together. So you know what? If you don't like a lot of volume, skip the shaking and just go to separating. And now we are sitting under my portable hair dryer. I've had this thing for a while. It's from Amazon. I will link it down below. The dryer. I've been under here for 54 minutes. Really, it's just like the top of my hair, my roots that are dry. You can see that the ends they're pretty wet still. So what I'm gonna do is kind of shake my hair throughout the night just to kind of like get some of, you can kind of feel the water coming off of the ends of the hair just to help it. I'm gonna put a bonnet on, I'm gonna go to bed, and then tomorrow I'm gonna let it finish probably air drying. But it's time for me to get from out of here. Like I'm hot, I'm getting irritable. I'm gonna go eat and go to bed. I'll see you tomorrow. I just want to take some time to give some shine to those of you who have chosen to purchase from my store. I am thoroughly enjoying the images you have shared with me. And if you are interested in purchasing something from my store, go to shop.latoyaebony.com. I will leave the link down below. Hey loves, welcome to day 2, the day after the little sit under dryer situation. Also, before I forget, shout out to this shirt, the Wake Fluff Slay shirt. Shout out to all of you who have purchased from my shop. Listen, if you don't know, I will inform you that I sell t-shirts, sweatshirts, mugs that are inspired by natural hair and women empowerment. And this is one of my kind of like favorite mugs. I foresee me whooping you if you touch my hair. I got it in a t-shirt and a hoodie as well. And my t-shirts now have color. I'm very, very, very excited about this. I have added 2 shades of blue, pink, and red. Very, very, very excited about the addition of color because y'all know it's summertime. And your girl loves to wear color. So I had to do it. So this is the new installment, the new announcement of color dropping. So go ahead and check out shop.latoyaebony.com to get your natural hair inspired merchandise, okay? Y'all know I don't do like a ton of sponsored content as of right now, and so this is a way in which you can support my channel and also get something dope in the process. Excuse me. So it is day 2 and it is time for the reveal. The reveal of the hair. Okay, ooh, okay. Okay, I feel like we've had a little hiccup in the front with the bonnet. The bonnet wasn't on too great. I did a middle part, but let me just spruce it up a little bit and then come back and show you. For the most part, I'm done. I could do a little tweaking, but the hair is looking fabulous. Zoe has showed up and showed out, okay? So there are a couple notes that I have to give. One, my hair, the underlayers, they're still a little bit wet, okay? My hair is still a bit damp, so I assume that the back especially will shrink up just a little bit. Overall, I do think that if wash and goes were my #1 style that I always wore, that I would kind of get a shape up just so I can have like a very intentional shape. However, your girl does not wear wash and goes often. To be honest, I wear my hair stretched more than I wear wash and goes, and I do not want to sacrifice any of my length that is not damaged for this particular shape or style at this point in my journey. So maybe after I reach nipple length, and then I'll be a little bit more adventurous, but for now, we're keeping the inches. We're keeping the healthy inches. I wanna do a side-by-side of this wash and go versus the last wash and go that I did when I clarified my hair, added shampoo, and let it air dry. And I also used different products. You guys can see that this style has a lot more definition. And even though it's not fully dry, I feel like it has a little bit more shine to it. So I'm very, very, very pleased with the results. And what were some of the key differences? Well, what I can say is that, clarifying your hair kind of does strip your hair. It makes it a little drier, things like that. So maybe that has something to do with it. Instead of using shampoo, I use conditioner. If you guys remember, this is the Garnier Fructis pure, clean, silicone-free conditioner. It was like $3. I used a different gel. Instead of the Aunt Jackie's gel, I'm using the Maui Moisture Hair Styling Freeze Free. It's the elongating gel. And instead of Hair Rules mousse, I'm using the Dew. Now, I didn't particularly feel like this was like a moisturizing gel, but I can say it did go on very smooth. So I did like that. I think the results kind of speak for itself. I think the key difference is the sit under dryer. It's the sit under dryer. So when I let my hair air dry, obviously there's a lot more air that passes through it. I end up with a fluffier, fuller, kind of more afro look. Whereas when I sit under a dryer and I guess I allow the dryer to set my hair in that more elongated state, because it dries a lot faster. So it sort of like locks in whatever's going on in its wet state a little bit better than it does when it air dries. So I'm not for one or the other. I tend to air dry more often because I don't really enjoy sitting under a sit under dryer, but it is good to know that if I want that sort of more shiny, defined look, sitting under a dryer is the key, as well as some product combinations. So this is one of the first times I have used a different gel that's not Uncle Funky's and didn't use a leave-in under it. So it's giving interesting results. I can only tell from the top layer, it doesn't feel particularly hydrated or anything, but it doesn't feel as dry as it felt last time. So I will know as time goes on. I'm actually at the moment filming another week in my hair video so that you guys, when it pops up, you'll be able to see how my hair progressed throughout the week. Yeah, it's cool. I really enjoy doing those vlogs because you get a little bit of a mix of hair, but then I can throw in a little bit of fashion, a little bit of life in the space of these videos, and the videos are like 30 minutes. So it's like 30 minutes of hair. So if you like my hair videos, I think you'll really love those vlogs in particular. That being said, let me give y'all another little look-see. Zoe, you didn't have to show up like this, Zoe. Zoe, you didn't have to do it like this, okay? No, I'm really loving my hair. I've got my mirror right here, so I keep looking at it. I'm just like, you know what? Process does make a difference. Technique does make a difference, you guys. I have so many wash and go videos. If you're interested in wash and goes, I have a full playlist so you can compare yourself. I will put that playlist here. And if you are interested in my last week in my hair vlog, I'll put that there, okay? Enjoy yourself. Enjoy. Go ahead and check out my shop, shop.latoyaebony.com. I appreciate all of your purchases, of course. It's been so cool seeing you guys wear everything. And I will see you next Monday and Thursday. All right, bye.
I love you like